everyone! Guess what's happening today? Mommy's on a mission to clean and jazz up my playpen. Come on, Mommy, let's get this party started. Mommy's like a cleaning ninja doing her weekly sweep and fresh peep head dance. And you won't believe the moves she busts out without Swiffer mop. She's like a pee-pee magician, making sure no trace is left behind and the floor smells like a flowery paradise. We've got the coolest pet kit gadget in town, a food organizer that holds my favorite Hale Science diet kibbles and Sundays for Dogs air-dried yumminess. My fresh wet food chills out in the fridge like a superstar. You won't believe my meal plan. 3 different meals a day because who doesn't love variety? I'm a furry foodie on a culinary adventure. And there's more. A fancy pet kit fountain that filters my water like it's on a mission to be the cleanest water ever. No worries about hydration here. I might need the trampoline to reach it, but hey, I'm growing like a rocket, so no problemo. After Mommy's whirlwind setup, my playpen becomes the ultimate puppy paradise. My toys, my bed, and even some of my favorite chewables on my cozy bed. Perfect! You know what's super cool about my feeding gadget? It's app controlled. So even if Mommy's got a million things to do, she won't forget to feed me. Whoa! That scared me. I think I just got a portion surprise. But that's alright. I'm a foodie at heart and will devour it all. I'm not sure why Mommy is showing you this, but I've mastered the art of potty training. I'm a potty superstar.